This video describes the installation process for Adventium Labs' Systems Engineering Safety and Security Analysis Framework, or SESSAF. First, we install OSATE, in this case version 2.5.2, by extracting it to a local directory. After the extraction is complete, we launch OSATE and install Adventium's core AADL tools. To install the core tools, we copy the zip files for those tools to a local directory. Then we use the Help Install Additional Software menu item in OSATE and point to the AADL Core Tools archive using the Archive option. This will add an additional software update site. Then we'll select all the features available from that site and hit Next to install them. After this, we restart OSATE. Now we'll install Xmind. Xmind is a tool used for visualizing the SESSAF results. Again, we add a new archive update site, and we will select all of the features from Xmind. Once again, we will restart OSATE, and we'll do the final step of the installation process, which is installing SESSAF. Again, to install SESSAF, we point OSATE at a SESSAF update site in the form of a zip file and install the features made available from that zip file. In the next video, we will start doing some AADL modeling and look at how we can apply SESSAF to AADL models.